Okay, so this is another camera that I have. This one comes with a manual. It's supposed to be a very new one. I mean, in terms of I think they say it's out of box, or it seems that it's very good, very good condition. So it comes with a manual. Show you the manual here. Zenit ET. Yeah. So let me take this out. This is the condition of the casing, the leather case. I think it's leather. So this is the Zenit ET. You can see the lens, the glass. Let me show it to you. It's the M42 mount. Helios 44M f2. Show it to you. Give a close up of the glass. Then this is the camera functions. .500 shutter, 250. Control 5, 60, 30, and this is bulb mode. Then there's a light meter here. You can see it moves. When there's a light source, it moves. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it moves now. How to use I need to find out later, because the Russians, they have a different system. It's called a GOST system instead of ISO. So show you the different compartment. There you go, thanks.